What better to pair with our Santa Fe style than our Artisan line? This particular style evokes an exciting yet casual feel. Blending our Artisan collection with the Santa Fe design created an authentic environment. I was inspired by Spanish woodwork when piecing this design together. The natural grain in our tables brought out that rich element that was needed to complete our look. Don't be afraid to go bold with color. In my opinion, the richer and warmer the better. I was able to create an inviting and energetic atmosphere by incorporating rich, warm colors into this design. Doing so gave a grand statement. Utilizing textures in our faux stucco walls helped capture the spirit of this style. The wood detail that you see in this Artisan chair mimics the wood around our room to make a cohesive look. Adding these touches bring together the Santa Fe and Artisan style. Use your walls as a blank canvas to add personal flair to your design. Iron embellishments were placed throughout the room to showcase ornamental aspects. Mixing these wood and iron textures is a key factor for achieving a Santa Fe look. Stay tuned and hit that subscribe button to see what we come up with next.